Hell yeah, what's up, guys? It's Curtis Pike. My friends call me Big C. Back in action. Today, I got a quick one for you. This is an AI video. I'm going to show you how to create your own news videos. Not only regular news videos, these are faceless news videos insofar as these are AI-generated characters. The voice is AI-generated as well. And you can monetize these on YouTube. So there's a million reasons why you might want to try making these. I'm going to show you how to do it for free. And let me give you an example so you'll see what you're getting. Here we go.
Today, Big C ran the 100 meter in just under 50 seconds.
There you go. I'm just under 50 seconds for my 100-meter dash. How did I do that? Let's start from scratch. I'm going to show you. All right, here we go. So we've got a blank project in CapCut. If you do not have CapCut desktop, you can always just go to this website. I'll put a link in the description below, and you can literally download it for free. It costs nothing, and it's really, really good. Okay, so here we are. We've loaded it up. The first step is over here on the left side. You're going to see a whole bunch of options. We want to create our background. Now, there's two ways to do it. We can either create our own background using AI, or we can use one of their pre-built backgrounds. I like their backgrounds, so I'm going to click on Stock Materials. Under Stock Materials, you'll see a few options, but what we want to do now is press or type in at the top here. We're just going to type in the word news and hit enter. When you do that, you'll see a whole bunch of different news styles here that you can use. Now, a lot of them are really, really good. For this one, I don't know, let's go with, let's see which one do I like the most. I like this one here. This one looks fine. So I'm going to go hover over it, and then at the bottom right, you're going to see add to track. So I'm going to click on that. When I do that, it adds it right in. And if I hit play, you'll see here that we've added in that cool news background. And remember, there's all different types. There's red ones, pink ones, green ones, all different styles. This is the one I'm going to go with for now. The next step, and this is counterintuitive, I'm going to be honest with you, you got to watch this one, and it doesn't exactly make sense from a workflow perspective, but we actually want to add in text now. Even though we're creating an AI avatar that speaks, the next step is to click on the text button. Yep, trust me, it's weird. And when you do that, you'll see here under text, you'll see a whole bunch of different styles. The style doesn't matter. I'm just going to click on the default trending one here. So I'm just going to click on this, add to track. It's going to go ahead now and just add default text into the track. Now, on the right side, you'll see here that we've got this text open here. We've got this text box. And then in here, we can type in whatever we want it to say. So in this case, I'm going to say, welcome to today's news. Enter featuring Big C. He ran the, ran the 100-meter dash in just under 50 seconds. Something silly like that. The text doesn't have to fit on the screen correctly. It actually is just there as a placeholder to tell the AI character what to say. Again, it's a little strange, but it is what it is. So there we go. We've added in the text that you want it to say. So this is just part one. Now, on the right side here up at the top, you'll see AI characters. Click on AI characters, and when you do that, you get a whole bunch of different people that can be your AI avatar. So look at all these butterfed white girls. No, there's all different types, sizes, races. It's pretty cool. I'm going to go down here a little bit, and in this case, I'm going to select this dude here. So I'm going to hover over him. I'm going to click on him, and when I do that, at the bottom right here, you'll see add. So I'm going to basically add him in. And when I do that, watch this. When I add him, it says generating speech, which is kind of strange. But what it's doing is it's taking that text that we wrote out earlier and then applying it as speech. It should be done in about 5 seconds here. And then when that's done, we're going to turn the text off, and I'm going to show you I'm just going to show you the final product and export it, and we're done here. So now I'll move the playhead back to the beginning. Listen to this.
Welcome to today's news featuring Big C. He ran the 100-meter dash in just under 50 seconds.
All right. See how fast I am, guys? Now, that doesn't look quite right, does it? Now, look at this. We're just going to click on that eyeball to hide the track. And now,
to today's news featuring Big C,
we've got a perfect example of an AI avatar doing the news with AI voice, with the avatar, with everything all included. Why is this interesting? Because if English isn't your first language, or if you want to create videos in other languages and you don't know how to speak them, you can use a tool like this and you can upload them. And not only that, as it stands right now, these are monetizable videos. So you can create videos, monetize them, Do what you want to do. Those are the techniques, front to back. Actually, I'm going to show you one last thing. Just in case you weren't sure, you got to go up to the top right here and click on export. And when you do that, just make sure that your settings are correct. 1080p is usually fine. H.264, MP4, etc. And then hit export so that you've exported it and it goes to your drive. But for me, it goes right onto my desktop. That is all there is to it, guys. Thanks for watching.